Welcome back to our channel. For today's video guys, gagawin ko ay how to make slime for clay and lotion. And step 1, kailangan po natin ng clay and next is lotion. And wait lang, dahil kukuha ko ng mixie. Doon tayo mix. Okay. Hinugasan ko lang po ito bago and then ito wala na po. So, punas ko na neto. Kapag basa. Then, let's do this. Baho nito guys. Bahala na. Kailangan natin guys is this. Yung po kasi favorite colors. The next step is this. Ilagay po natin. And then we mix it. We mix it to your hand. Tumba po ito. So, this is next. Ano po ito na?